Welcome to Networking Fundamentals. A computer network is how devices connect to share data and resources efficiently. Key components include switches for internal LAN connections and routers to guide data across different networks using IP addresses. Data travels through wired media like fiber optics or wirelessly via Wi-Fi, across LANs, WANs, and the global internet. The OSI model is vital. It breaks communication into 7 layers, from raw physical bits to the applications you use. Layer 3 handles logical IP routing, while Layer 2 focuses on physical MAC addressing for local delivery. For data transfer, TCP ensures reliability for emails and web, while UDP offers the speed needed for gaming and video. Network layouts or topologies like star and mesh determine how devices are physically or logically organized. Mastering these basics is your first step toward a career in network engineering. Keep learning and stay connected.